ghetto way of how to remove lift bolts.
Someone told me you can do this. I don't know if it'll work, but it's worth a try.
Look at all that stuck in there.
It's stuck in there. No, that one's...
Not that one, but this one.
Yeah. All right, well, so the first thing you would want to do is get this as straight as possible. So one of the first steps is you want to remove the VVTi screen bullshit from here. It's held on by a couple of 10mm nuts and bolts. Hurry up, Clayton.
Shut up.
Here, use the impact. Use the impact. Impact that. Righty tighty, lefty loosey, right? That's not straight. You're not straight. You're not straight. I hope I don't get copyrighted for that Mexican music. Jeez.
I don't think so. Should I use a wrench on that one?
It's up to you, dude. I use these just use the impact.
You're not straight.
You're not straight. Dude, you're not straight. Grab it. Grab the whole thing, is gonna fall off.
Isn't there one on the bottom right here?
There's another one? Oh yeah, there is. Grab the whole, grab it. Let's put it on the floor. So there's one of the screen filters for a VVT-Li. So now just remove your cam caps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And make sure you set them all in order. Do not mix and match them. I just hope I don't get copyrighted for the Pancho Barraza song playing right now. Got the caps off. Camshaft is exposed. Now I gotta take off the tensioner to release the tension on the timing chain. Make sure you mark your timing on the sprockets so you know where it goes back when you put your cam back on. Remove the tensioner. Now your chain should have a lot of slack and we should be able to remove the cam gear. See if lift it up. So once you have your camshaft out, make sure you set it somewhere safe. And now, this is where the extension bar comes into play. Once you have this off, you fit an extension through here, and you just hit it with a hammer, and the rocker pin is gonna come out this side, and you will see the broken lift bolt in there. So if you wanna hold that and just record right here.
Real guys.
Just put your finger on it so they don't jump.
Okay.
It's out, right? Yeah, right there. So now we tried to extract it with the bolt, but it wasn't working, or with the bolt extractor. So we're just gonna clean up all this so that the new lift bolt sits right in. Even though the Spanish music in the background is gonna get demonetized. All right, see if we can extract it. No, why not? It's a weak magnet.
I have a bigger one. Oh, I got some extra pieces.
No?
No.
Jeez.
How many of these have you broke?
So once you get your shaft back in, the way I do that with the shaft is I just use a pry bar right here, and I just pry the shaft back in, and then I reverse it the other way until I fully have it back in. Doesn't take much. And if you can't get it all the way in, you get the smaller pry bar right here. And you just set it right there and just have someone tap it right here with a hammer to push the rod back in. Once you have the rod back in, this is the glory moment that you put your new lift bolts. Swoop-dee-doo. Right, Clayton?
Yeah. Or what he said.
So now just torquing by hand. I believe these are at 7 pound-feet or 8. I'll have to double check. We'll go right now on the internet and double check, but I believe it's 8 pound-feet.
You ever got my torque wrench?
I have one.
Okay.
Satisfying, you know?
Yeah. I like how someone in the last video was like, "You guys need to intervene on Clayton's activities or something."
Wait, what? Who said that?
I don't know. It was on the last video. I thought it was pretty funny because they were like, "Clayton bought another Celica," and someone was like, "Someone needs to intervene."
Oh. Now you get your cam and you feed it through the chain. Carefully. Don't ruin your timing marks as well. Yeah, help him out. We'll set the camera down.
Whatever.
Timing. You see the little dot right there?
Can you move it down more?
Here, no, it's not upside down. So you would go like that. So, timing dot. We have the red paint. Red Sharpie on the timing mark. And if you come down here, you can see that so if you put it at 0, top dead center, and we still have all our marks. Cool.
Beautiful.
Put the cam caps back on.
All right.
So, as he does it, the trick with these is that you have to, so if I remember correctly, you have to torque him halfway, but you go in sequence. So you go 1, zoom out. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
One more time just to make sure.
So you would start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Nice.
So I don't know the torque specs right now, but once we go into the second part of the video on torque specs, I will let you guys know. But for now, I'm just threading them by hand because I did recorded another video and it ended up being upside down.
Probably could just like convert it.
I'm being lazy. Honestly, I'm just uploading directly off my phone right now at this moment. I'm not going on my computer and editing. I'm just cutting and pasting at this point.
SMH, bro.
Lost motivation. I blame the corona.
Coronavirus?
Coronavirus. Oh,
Corolla la la.
no. Oh no, send help.